you curious with how simple it is to take a patient from check-in to check-out with ezyVet? Let's take a look at the power of ezyVet features working together. Starting with scheduling an appointment, choose a date, check the doctor's availability, and then select the customer's preferred appointment time to schedule the booking. Lastly, fill in the patient's details. Hit save, and the appointment is all booked. Did you notice the invoice was automatically created when you booked the appointment? Pretty efficient, right? Now, the patient's arrived. Update the appointment status and the patient's weight directly from the calendar. Next, generate the patient's check-in forms and get the client's signature. They can sign the forms in person or on a tablet, touchscreen with a mouse, or you can send it to them to sign remotely. Next, it's time to check over the patient. The appointment status is updated to keep the team in the loop. You can easily review past patient history to get up to speed quickly for the appointment by selecting Complete History. It's time to write your SOAP notes in under 90 seconds by utilising clinical templates. This can be done quickly in the exam room and include triggers for common charges. Simply tab through to create a detailed, standardised patient SOAP. Now that your notes are complete, it's time to finalise your charges. Each section of the clinical record is labelled, so you know exactly where everything goes. Let's review the invoice. Need to add a last-minute item like retail or food? Easy! Just click and add the item directly to the invoice. When the invoice is ready and all charges are accurate, approve and lock the invoice. With ezyVet, you don't need to constantly hassle your team for updates. Instead, use the visual cues to work through the patient's visit. For example, just look for the $sign on the appointment in the calendar. It's a clear visual cue that the invoice is approved and ready for payment. Open the invoice straight from the calendar to take payment. Print or email a copy of the paid invoice to the client and you're all set. To wrap things up, head back to the calendar and mark the appointment as complete. There you have it. Check in to check out with ezyVet. Book a demo today to take your practice to the next level of efficiency and patient care.